Hello guys, you probably don't know me because this is the first video I upload to this channel since I needed to create a channel to show this because I'm honestly shocked. I'm shocked at how I literally monetized this channel on March 28th. As you can see here, starting from March 28th, I began making money, and as you can see, I monetized it. I've been getting hundreds of thousands of views, and right now I'm making around 800 euros, 2,000 euros, 1,500 euros, 2,300 euros. I mean, it's crazy the amount of money this channel is generating. I had already made a lot of money before, but I had never made 2,000 euros a day or 2,400 euros a day. I was making 500 euros a day, but 2,400 euros a day with one channel is insane. And in this video, since it's my first video on this channel, I'm going to show you how to create videos in this niche, because this niche is really good and it's also extremely easy to do. You've already seen the results. In literally 9 days, I got 2 million views. I had never gotten 2 million views in such a short time. And in 9 days, I made 13,700 euros. I think this month I'm gonna go over 30,000 euros. I'm implementing some strategies on my channel so there are no issues with demonetization or getting the channel deleted. I'm applying some advanced strategies for that, apart from the basics like creating the channel with a proxy, using an aged account, using an anti-detect browser, avoiding CAPTCHAs and all that, and using Google Authenticator. That's the basic part. But on this channel, to avoid demonetization or deletion, I'm implementing more advanced strategies that I've already used on other channels, which I'll show in future videos. In this video, I'm only going to focus on the content creation part so you can create your channel, since I feel like making this kind of channel where I teach people how to create because I think I have the knowledge for it. So I prepared a document with the resources you're going to need, and I tried to make it as short as possible so you don't have too many steps. Here, I left you 4 reference channels so you can choose the type of content you want to make. So what you have to do is choose 1 or 2 reference channels that you like in terms of style. In my case, I chose this one as my reference channel, this one here, which is very successful. In fact, they deleted some of their videos because they were implementing strategies similar to mine. I did a deep analysis of this channel and extracted their strategies. I had already done this before as well. Basically, if you look at the videos of this channel, you can see that the thumbnail format is exactly the same as mine. If you look at my thumbnails, you can see that the format is the same. What I'm doing is replacing their avatar with mine. It's very easy. So the first step is to go to this website, and here you're gonna get inspiration. For example, if this woman is around 50 or 60 years old or even older, you select the gender. I'll choose female, age over 50, and whatever. What this does is generate a person that doesn't exist. It creates a face that doesn't exist so you can create your fictional avatar. The channels that are being created in this style are using famous people like Warren Buffett or Richard Wolff, but it's more likely those get deleted. So I recommend you create a fictional channel. I'm going to download any image now because this is just a tutorial. In my case, on my channel, I'm using this man, not a woman. You can also generate a man if you want, but then you'll need a reference channel that uses a male avatar. So I download the image. You'll have to wait 15 seconds, and as you can see, the image is downloaded. After downloading your avatar image, you go to your reference channel. In my case, I'll go to this one, and you take a screenshot of the face in the background, trying not to include any text. Then you send that screenshot to ChatGPT, go to the document, copy the prompt, paste it, and it will analyze the image and give you a full description. Then the next step is to copy another prompt, go to this website I leave in the document, and paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Upload your avatar image, click generate, and it will create the image. Download the image you like the most. It will generate 2 images with the free model. If you want the higher quality one, you'll need to remove the watermark using the website I left in the document. Now you have your avatar. The next step is the script. For that, go to this website, then go to your reference channel, copy the link of a recent video, paste it, and then go to Claude. Go to the document, copy the prompt, paste it into Claude, and then create 2 sections. One for the video title, where you paste the title from the reference video, and another for the script, where you paste the script. Send the prompt, and as you can see, Claude generates a new title and script for your channel. Now you generate the audio using Google AI Studio, 11 Labs, or the voice from HeyGen, which I'll show later. Basically, you already know how to generate the voice. The next step is the thumbnail. Go to this website again, download the thumbnail from the reference video by pasting the link, then go back to the image generation site, upload the thumbnail and your avatar image, delete the previous prompt, and paste the new prompt from the document. This will replace their avatar with yours. Click generate and it will create the thumbnail. Sometimes it makes mistakes, but just download the one that looks correct. If there's a watermark, remove it using the link in the document. Now you have everything: thumbnail, audio, script, avatar. The next step is to go to HeyGen. Here you just go to avatars and create your avatar by uploading your image. Then go to new video, paste your script, select avatar model 4 because avatar 5 uses too many credits, choose a voice, and generate the video. The avatar will be talking, and that's it. If you want to do what some channels do and add background clips, go to any site where you can get clips and add them to your video, because otherwise retention will be low. That's basically it. There's more to it, many more advanced concepts needed to scale a YouTube channel, but in this video I focused only on content creation. I don't want to create competition. I made this channel to teach, not to create competition. I'm referring to my personal channel, the one where I'm uploading this video. This is my first video, and I don't know if I'll continue uploading here. After making 13,000 euros in 9 days, I honestly don't think I'll have time, but I'll try to upload more if I see that you like the content. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe. I've never been a YouTuber. I don't really know what to say in this situation or how to end the video, but if you want to create your channel, you have the document in the description, and that's it for now. I just wanted to show my channel and the process.